Today we'll be learning basics of calligraphy. We'll be starting with a pencil which should not be very sharp. Make sure it's a little blunt so that you can form really nice curves. First we will try writing U many times, but you have to take care of a special thing here. Whenever you are taking your pencil up, you need to press very lightly. But whenever you are coming down, you need to press hard. So that the lines are very light when you go up, but they are darker when you come down. Try it. Once you are done with making U's, you should try writing M many times. We will move in a similar way. While going up, we will keep the pressure very light. While coming down, we'll press the pencil harder and the line will be thicker. Similarly, while going up, we will keep the pencil very light. While coming down, the pencil will leave a dark mark because you will press harder. Now, let's try writing A. When you're going up, press the pencil very lightly. When coming down, press the pencil harder. Make sure all the A look the same. Try writing between the two lines so that you don't have to worry about how tall your alphabet is. Try to fit the alphabets between the two lines. Now let's try writing the taller alphabets. The taller alphabets should form between three lines. And now you know how to write all the alphabets. Let's try each alphabet one by one. Try writing C. Again, while going up, light, while coming down, it should be dark. Just like C, we will also write D. Just make sure all the alphabets look alike. Try to be as neat as possible because neat handwriting will result in really nice calligraphy. Try writing each alphabet multiple times. Keep practicing, kids. All the best.